Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code in Brawl Stars. Redeeming a code on Brawl Stars is super easy. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device and then click on the shop button from the left hand side of the screen. Inside the shop menu, scroll all the way towards the left and look for this Content Creator Boost button. Now click on Enter Code. Input the desired creator code in the text box and then click on Enter. You can only support one creator at a time. After you type it down, you will be able to redeem your code using the Content Creator Boost section. By following this process, you will be able to redeem your code on Brawl Stars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.